I was completely wrong about PlayStation repair service. What's up guys, welcome back to the Ultimate Tech Hub. I'm Mike, thank you for watching, I really appreciate it, you guys are awesome. So it's been about 5 months since I posted a video on our PS5 repair experience. And we posted that video October 8th of 2021. That video details the entire repair process, so make sure to check it out. And to summarize what happened, we had our PS5 repaired for a file corruption error that happened during a software update. This file corruption error occurred every time we tried to update the software for our PS5. And this resulted in updating our software in safe mode, which is a huge pain in the butt, and is an obvious sign that something is very, very wrong with the system. So we sent our PS5 to Sony for a warranted repair. And this repair process took a total of 17 days from start to finish. And this includes FedExing our broken PS5 to Texas, getting it repaired, and then having Sony FedEx it back to us. Not too bad. And once we got our PS5 back home, we plugged it in, and of course, we needed an update. And bam, I got the file corruption error again. Can you believe it? And it went into safe mode. Unbelievable and ridiculous. Can't complete the update. Well, I'm gonna post this video anyways. I'm gonna post it about this. I gotta send it back into FedEx. I'm really pissed that PlayStation didn't maybe update the system or check it, make sure everything's gonna work fine. But obviously, we've got an issue here. I don't get it, man. So, the saga continues with my PlayStation 5. So while in safe mode, the PS5 updated and went through with no issues. This entire process was filmed, and at the time, I called out PlayStation repair service and stated basically it was a complete failure. Needless to say, I was very angry. After 17 days, they didn't fix the issue. However, this is where I was wrong, because I needed to see how the system would update in the future. And this is where things totally flipped. And with PlayStation, there's usually updates every month, 1 or 2 per month. And over the last 5 months, we've updated our PS5 many times. And every update we downloaded and installed, there was no file corruption error and no safe mode. And to be totally honest, I still get nervous when there's a software update. I'm a little gun shy, and for a good reason. But I have to say it's been a great experience with all the new updates. No file corruption errors and no safe mode. And with every new update, I get a little more confident in the updating process. And I owe Sony a huge apology. Sony, I'm sorry, I was completely wrong. And once again, 17 days is a very good turnaround for repair service. The repair service is in Texas, so keep that in mind when you send your PS5 in for repair. So make sure to check out our video we did October 8th, 2021. This details the entire process. And guys, once again, if you have any questions about this process, please leave them in the comments below. I answer all questions. And I want to thank you guys so much. You're all awesome. I love you all. We have the best viewers and subscribers on YouTube. All right, well guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll keep you updated on this, and thank you again. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, share, all the good stuff. Love you guys. Thanks.